Hello everyone, welcome to Think Academy. Today we're going to explore some questions from KMC. And today our topic is cycle problem. Let's see. First, when we come to cycle problem, we have to know what is a cycle. If you find something repeats in the same order, it can be called as a cycle. For example, seasons. First, spring, summer, autumn, winter. After 4 seasons, which season do we have? Spring again, and spring, summer, autumn, winter, spring, summer, autumn, winter. So we have 4 seasons repeating in the same order. And also about the days. From Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. After 7 days in 1 week, we will have Monday again to repeat in the same order. So days are also as cycles. So when problems are related to repeating patterns in the same order or related to cycles, we call it as a cycle problem. Let's see the first one. Circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. Some shapes are put in this pattern. And among these shapes, there are 25 squares. We want to know how many circles are there or are here altogether. So you can find circle, square, circle, square. Since here it begins to repeat. So this is the first cycle, second cycle, third cycle, and we have so many cycles are here. And in every cycle, we have as many squares as circles. So we can see if we have 25 squares altogether, we should also have the same number of circles here, so we also have 25 circles. That's how we solve this question. As long as you know what is a cycle, you can solve it very easily. How about the second one? We have ABC's 3 people take turns being on night duty. And if A is the first one to be on duty, who is on duty on the 88th day? Okay, so let's see. ABC will take turns being on duty. So A, B, C, the first 3 days. And the same order in the next 3 days, A, B, C. And in the next 3 days, A, B, C, A, B, C. Here you can see, as long as we know the place in the cycle, we can know who is on duty. For example, if I ask you, in the 3rd cycle, and at the first place, who is on duty? A. In the first place of the 5th cycle, who is on duty? Still A. In the first place of the 15th cycle, who is on duty? Still A. Okay, so as long as you know the place, you can know who is on duty, because all cycles will repeat in the same order. So we want to know, in the 88 days, how many cycles can we find? So we just need to divide 88 by 3 equals 29, remaining 1. So we can see, if we got 29 full cycles or complete cycles here, and then still have 1 more days left, we can find our target in the 29th cycle or next cycle, or aka the 30th cycle. Which one? You are right. If we got a remainder finally, we should find the target in next cycle. That is 30th cycle. So, which place? Because we only got 1 day left, so that should be in the first place, at the first place. And at the first place, that is A on duty. So we can know A is on duty on the 88th day. That's how we solve this question. How about the next one? It's another type of cycle problem. It's about date or calendar. Let's see. If we know June 1st, 2019 is Saturday, what day is June 1st, 2020? Okay, when it comes to days, or when it comes to date, we have to know, find the cycle is the first step. Because here we know June 1st is Saturday, so the first day is Saturday. And let's see, when can we find the full cycle? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and do we have another one in the first cycle again? We have got 7 days here, and from Saturday to next Friday. So this is the cycle for this question. Now let's see, how many days do we have from June 1st, 2019 to June 1st, 2020? Someone may tell me, oh, teacher, I think because it contains one whole year, so we have got 365 days. Is that true? Let's look at 2020. It's quite special. It's a leap year. And when we have a leap year, we will got 366 days. Is that true now? Let's see another question. From January 1st, 2021 to December, the last day in 2021, 31st, 2021. How many days do we have? 2021 is a normal year, so it contains 365 days altogether. And if I ask you another question, from January 1st, 2021 to January 1st next year, or 2022, how many days do we have? We have one more day here, so the total number should also be one more than 365, that is 366. Have you found that? Because we include the first day and the last day, so we will have one more day here. That is not 366, but we have to add 1 to it, and we can get 367 days altogether. And in every cycle we have 7 days. So let's find how many cycles can we have. 367 divided by 7 equals 52 weeks remaining, 3 days. So we have 3 days remaining here. We just need to count the next cycle, or 53rd weeks. We can find 1, 2, 3. The third place is Monday. So June 1st, 2020 should be Monday. That's how we solve this question. You see, when we are solving a cycle problem, the first step is to find the cycle. Second, when you are going to find how many cycles are contained, remember, if you have a remainder, we can find the cycle. We can find the target in next cycle. But perhaps next time we can solve a question without remainder. See you next time. Bye bye.